Hello and welcome to another update video about Jasmy. Yeah, Jasmy is consolidating sideways up here. In the last few days, Jasmy worked out or followed, at least followed very nicely the suggested roadmap. So because the price has reacted so well to support levels, for example, here, then I did have the one here, which I now moved to the right and adjusted because of the latest high. But the price, if a price is following the roadmap very well, then it indicates that we are on the right track. That also indicates that we should be able to figure out, the next targets, upside and then pullback support levels and targets with decent accuracy, because we're basically riding that wave together with Jasmy. At some point they will break. Okay, waves break at some point. It's just like in nature. And then obviously we have to find the next one. At the moment, the idea is still that a fourth wave bottomed here already on the 1st of May. And at the moment, I can identify from that low a 3-wave move to the upside. The move up looks impulsive, so therefore I already indicated to you a few days ago that, down here we were watching obviously for that rally, which happened. Then we had this third of a third wave top, which peaked here around the 27th of May, around 2.86 cents. And then I gave you the pullback support zone for this wave 4, but I highlighted that most likely, in my view at least, is that we are only in the smaller degree fourth wave within a still unfolding third wave. And that within this third wave, we should see one more high. And this unfolded, this happened. I think in yesterday's video I made you aware that we could see the 3.3 cent level next. We haven't quite reached that. And if I look into the micro structure, I'm not going to label it because I've run out of wave degrees here, but we can put some labels on. I'll take them out because I don't really want to label an altcoin on that wave degree. It's just unreliable. But this could be a wave 1 of that wave 5. This could be a wave 2. This could be a wave 3. And I think the wave 4 is still unfolding. In fact, one second. In fact, probably this here is the 5th, the top, today's top. The reason is that you see actually there a tiny, not sure if you can recognize it, but there seems to be another small 1-2 setup. Obviously identifying that on such a wave degree is a bit unreliable. So I actually like it more here, to be honest. I like it more there, and then maybe this is some kind of a wave 4 triangle pattern which is unfolding. Like that. Yeah, sort of like a pennant, like a bullish pennant, in which we would have an A, B, C, D, E. I mean, it could technically be complete. We'll see. What it shouldn't do is break below 2.9 cents. Well, if it does that, that might be an initial indication that this third wave has already topped. At the moment, it seems to me, it seems likely we might get one more high. But we're really close to upside target already, and it did already unfold as expected, so I'm not entirely sure if we get it. At the moment, I would prefer that, you could say as long as we hold the Thursday low, that's, as I said, the 2.92 cent level. But actually, there's a different level we should watch, which is more important, because if this is a fifth wave to the upside, and if this is an impulse, which it looks like, then the 50% fib level of the third wave is the key support, and that is at 2.78 cents. So that's holding at the moment. If we break below that, then I will say that this larger degree third wave is topped, and we're then heading down for wave 4 support, which at the moment, based on the current measurements, ideally holds above 2.33 cents. I could make the case for a diagonal pattern, then 2.16 cents as support. Bottom line is, below 2.33 cents, further upside continuation overall, to possibly 4 cents or even higher becomes far less likely. But it could still turn around before breaking below 2.16 cents. Below that level, upside follow through is extremely unlikely. Yeah. Not impossible though, but extremely unlikely. So these are the two key markers. Basically 3 levels are important now. 2.78 cents as initial signal support, then 2.33 and 2.16. I hope that helps. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.